Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to color in Photoshop without going over lines. So it is very easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just select the layer, like the photo you need to select first. Then here you need to look for this option magic wand tool. If you are not able to see that, just hold your left click here and you will be able to see the magic wand tool. Just select that and just click on outside the line art. Then they'll select the rest of the part. Then we need to click on select, go to the option modify and choose the option expand and leave it on 2 and click on OK. Now here we need to hit right click and choose the option select inverse. Now add a new layer and just shift this layer just underneath of the image. Now we need to choose the photo or the line art and set this on multiply, which is right here. Now choose the layer which we have added. Now select the option paint bucket tool, choose the color which you want to fill in this image. I want to fill the yellow color, okay, and just click on OK and click on the image, and yeah, you can see we got the color here. Now in order to deselect the selection, we just need to hit Ctrl+D and the selection will go away. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can color without going over lines in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.